Welcome to this Smart Video demo. This video will show you the Smart Advisor platform and how to accept an invite to view an existing Smart client. The Smart Advisor platform has been designed for accountants, bookkeepers, payroll bureaus, and financial advisors to manage a portfolio of clients through auto-enrollment. Accessing the platform is quick and easy. Simply go to our website, auto-enrollment.co.uk, and click Sign In at the top right-hand side and select Advisor. If you already have login details, you can enter them here or click Sign Up and fill in the type form to register. This takes just a few moments to complete and you can then log in immediately. Once signed in to your Advisor account, you will see three icons on screen: Update Advisor, Manage Users, and Manage Clients. Update Advisor. Here is where you can change your company details, name, and address if these were to ever change. Manage Users. Here you can add any colleagues in your office as users to your Advisor account. This means they will be able to log in with their own login details, view, and manage all clients attached to your account. So please only add users who are internal to your company. To add a new user, simply click Create New User and fill in the details. Manage Clients. Here you will see a list of the clients attached to your Advisor account. To access the client account, click on the View Details icon and then sign into the company. If you have a client who has an existing Smart account, but you do not yet have access to it, the client can send you an Advisor invitation from within their company account. Upon accepting the invite, the client will then be attached to your Advisor account and appear on your Manage Clients list. This is an example of an Advisor invitation which you will receive via email. It instructs you to copy the URL link and paste it into the address bar at the top of your screen when you are logged into your Advisor account. You will then be able to access the account and it will be visible on your Manage Clients list. You can also add new clients to your Advisor account, clients who have a new duty start date, or clients who would like to switch to Smart from another pension provider. We have a dedicated support team who will assist you with this, so please contact us.